Hey everyone, I am Miss Claire. I am the admin of the Facebook group, and I also do the Praxis group classes. Sometimes I call them boot camp classes, and I sell my Praxis flashcards. So I just wanted to. A lot of people ask me exactly how does all this work, so I wanted to quickly go through and show you how it works. So this is, the link, and I'll include it right below this video, but this is the link where you can purchase all of my different cards. I have some free Quizlet cards down here, so if you want to, try some out first, see if you like them. These don't have everything though, of course. They just have a couple that will definitely be on your test. But then if you want to go, purchase the others, we have 5002, all of the 5001 tests, PLT, teaching reading, middle school science. So these are where my cards are. I do teach these cards in group classes, and if you come to the group classes, you get the cards that we go over for free. So you can also check out my, group schedule. This week, Friday and Sunday, I'll be teaching some classes, and I always rotate them, do a lot of 5001 classes. Every Sunday night, I will update this Praxis group schedule. So if you're wondering, well, how many classes do I have to take? You don't have to come to all of them. So for reading, there's, going to be 3 different classes that I teach, and then reading comprehension is just kind of a video you can buy. But if you have trouble with phonics, you can just come to that phonics class. Math has a good chunk of material. Social studies and science, just 3 different classes, and you'll have all the material. So for example, if you decide, okay, I'm having trouble in geography for social studies, you can come to, when you see in the group class, you'll see maybe B, geography, you can come join that class, and then you'll get those card sets for free. If you say, I don't really have that much time to wait for all your classes, maybe join one class, and then you can also just get all the cards and study on your own. Or you don't have to come to any classes, and you can just get the cards on your own and study. So really, whatever works for you works for me. So I have the Praxis Quizlet cards here. If you're wondering, how did you make these cards? I do have how did I create my Quizlet cards right here where I explain it, but I definitely go to that official ETS Praxis website. And I always like to show people this. Be sure to check out their Prepare for a Test material, because they do have free Prepare for a Test material. You can select, the test that you want. Maybe it's 5001. So you can browse test prep materials by test. Let's see, if we're looking for 5001, then always check out the study companion. They have a free quiz with an answer key. So that's good to check out. And then what I do is I go through all the tests, I go through all the checklists, I see what people, have said that this is definitely on the test, and that's what I put on my cards. So thanks if you listened to this. I hope it helped you out a bit. It would be great if you wanted to, join my classes. I would love to see you in a group class or purchase my cards. If you have any questions, feel free to PM me at any time. I also do private sessions if you want really one-on-one help. So group classes are going to be $10 for 40 minutes, and then private sessions are $40 for 40 minutes. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much. Bye.